What we're going to look at in this video is some frame options once you place your image. So let's take a look. So I'm going to select this, or you don't have to have it selected. I'm going to go Command D or File Place, put this frog image in here. We're going to load it up, put it in there. Now, once you have this image, once you have any sort of image selected, right, you get these fitting options that happen up at the top. When I'm off of it, you can see they disappear. When I select my image, they appear. Now, if they're not there for whatever reason, you can always go to Object, Fitting, and here are all your options. Okay? So the first one we're going to do is fill frame proportionately. So what this will do, and we talked about this a little bit, it'll take the frame, right, and it'll fill it top to bottom, left and right. It'll go to the edges of one of those. So in this case, it filled it top to bottom. Okay, so if I had, for example, a smaller image like this, and I wanted to fill it proportionally, you can see it just makes it bigger till it hits one of those edges. Okay, so going down to the next one is, right, we're going to place this frog again, and this is fill content proportionately. So what this will do is it'll keep the proportions of your image. So we're going to select that, and you can see right here, you hover over top of it, it says fit content proportionally. And what it does is it fits it within the frame, and it doesn't cut anything off. It's not cropping anything. The next one is fit frame to content. So this is actually going to do somewhat of the reverse. So I place this in here, and I want to say, you know what? I don't want this box. I thought my image was a square, but it's not. I want the full image. So if you go to fit frame to content, you can see it actually makes your frame fit the proportions of your image. And you can see I skipped over one. Let's talk about that one. So this one, don't ever do. This one is fit content to frame. Did you see it squish it? Don't do that, right? It's just fitting all the content into this frame, and a lot of times it squishes it, right? So we don't want to do that. The last one in these fitting options is centered. So if you have an image and you just want to center it, right, you can do center content, and there you go. The last thing that we'll do here is, actually that's not true, we're going to leave this for the next video. So those are all your fitting options inside of InDesign.